To be a star, you must shine your own light, follow your own path, and don't worry about darkness, for that is when the stars shine brightest. And so said Napoleon Hill. When did you last connect with the universe? The quote above by Napoleon Hill will hopefully resonate deeply with you today. I am Suresh Menon and welcome to this channel Positivity and Abundance. If you have not subscribed as yet, please do subscribe now and hit the bell icon to be informed of the latest videos as and when they get released. So Oliver Napoleon Hill was born in 1883 and he died in 1970, was an American self-help author. He is known best for his book Think and Grow Rich, which was published in 1937 and is still among the 10 best-selling self-help books today. Hill's works insisted that fervid expectations are essential to improving one's life. Most of his books were promoted as expounding principles to achieve success. 20 pages into the book Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill says, if you truly desire money so keenly that your desire is an obsession, you will have no difficulty in convincing yourself that you will acquire it. The object is to want money and to be so determined to have it that you convince yourself that you will have it. You may as well know right here that you can never have riches in great quantities unless you work yourself into a white heat of desire for money and actually believe that you will possess it. When you are bombarded with life and you find yourself unsure whether your path is the right one, you will feel a disconnection with the universe. A disconnection isn't necessarily a bad thing, but if your life activities are not aligned with your true purpose, it leaves you feeling lost and hopeless. There are many techniques in the law of attraction. However, writing down on paper is one of the best ways for those of you who feel scattered, torn, or are more introverted. Writing is cathartic and puts the focus back into what you desire. When you see what you're writing, you are also visualizing it to happen. And you can review it whenever you need to. But why should you review it? Because when you write, you will write down everything that pops up in your mind, including mental or emotional blocks you might otherwise miss. Feelings of fear, insecurity, disbelief, or even self-criticism. So, how do we start? Let's start by borrowing some quotes from Napoleon Hill and applying them to ourselves. We need to prep our minds before writing our successes. Success comes to those who become success conscious. So step 1. Are you successful in your thoughts? Any idea, plan or purpose may be placed in the mind through repetition of thought. Step number 2. Keep mapping out your ideas and plans in your thoughts. Repeat and then ask yourself whether your ideas and plans align with your purpose. A positive mind finds a way it can be done. A negative mind looks for all the ways it can't be done. Third, where is your mind heading? If you find yourself going down the negative road, go back to number 2 and try again. The starting point of all achievement is desire. Keep this constantly in mind. Weak desires bring weak results, just as a small fire makes a small amount of heat. Next, see it, feel it, desire it, will it. How intense is your fire of desire? Now that you are prepped and ready, write everything down. Start like this. Write an affirmation or a quote at the top of the page. Choose an affirmation or a quote that resonates deeply with you. Okay. Next. In the next line, write your success or your desire. Next. Write down your plans. For example, what you will do to achieve them. Number 4. Do any negative words pop up when you're writing? That's fine. Include those words around the page because we will come back to them. Number 5. When you feel your desire heating up, write what it is that makes your desire so intense. Remember that. What is it that makes your desire so intense? Write that down. Next, last step 6. End your letter with a thank you to the universe for reading your letter. When you write this letter again, maybe the next day or later in the day, look back at the negative words in your letter. Remember them when you go back to mapping out your ideas and plans. They are important matters to address because to move onwards and upwards, you need to remove these blocks, no matter how trivial or unreal they appear. So if you like this short video, please share this with your friends. We'll catch up with you in another video very, very soon.